to England, some pleasure for to find, where I espied a damsel most pleasuring to my mind. Her rosy cheeks and rolling eyes like arrows pierced my breast, and they called her lovely Flora, the lily of the West. I courted lovely Flora in hopes her love to gain, but soon she turned her back on me, which caused me all my pain. She robbed me of my liberty, she robbed me of my rest. I roamed forsaken by Flora, the lily of the West. One day as I was walking down by a shady grove, I spied a lord of high degree conversing with my love. She sang a song delightful while I was sore oppressed, saying bid adieu to Flora,